Sinasabi ko na palagi yan sa mga sundalo natin, ang MNLF partner. Kaya sinasabi ko nga kay sinasabi ni Ma'am, tama yun, the MNLF is the guardian of peace, the MNLF is the guardian of justice.
Hindi pwede ito. Kayo tapos gagawin ito sa amin?
Pwede kayong dumaan, sir, pero nakasigilyan.
Tawagan mo ang official ninyo. Gusto kong makausap.
Yun po yung guidance niya, sir.
Guidance kayo lang ang gumagawa. Kailangan kung may gagawin kayong guidance kasamang MNLF para alam namin ano ba ang mapagkasunduan natin. Hindi pwedeng ganito kayo lang. Real partnership tayo.
Nasawi sa bakbakan ng 4 na member ng MNLF o Moro National Liberation Front na tumutulong sa pagtugi sa mga Abu Sayyaf. Live mula sa Hulo, Sulu, may report si June Veneracion. June.
Muling na-monitor kaninang umaga ang Abu Sayyaf Group sa bayan ng Patikul, kaya ginamit muli ng militar ang kanilang kanyon. Sa pagkakataong ito, mas malakas at mas mapaminsala kumpara sa kadalasang ginagamit na kanyon. Pero ang nagkabakbakan ngayong araw ay ang Abu Sayyaf at mga fighters ng Moro National Liberation Front na tumutulong sa gobyerno para ma-rescue ang mga natitirang bihag ng Abu Sayyaf.
The Abu Sayyaf group released 10 of its Indonesian hostages due to the intense pressure from the operations of the armed forces as well as the Moro National Liberation Front.
Tingin ko, ito'y dahil sa pressure from the military operations jointly with the MNLF. May pressure din from the MNLF. Gawin na natin multiplying force ang MNLF sa ating operations. Anyway, hindi naman natin kalaban.
MNLF spokesperson Attorney Emmanuel Fontanilla says they were able to rescue 2 Swiss nationals and 1 Dutch last night. He adds the MNLF has taken over some of the bases of the Abu Sayyaf and was able to capture 6 bandits. The MNLF says the group is also exerting all efforts to rescue Jordanian journalist Bakir Atyani.
How many encounters you have been through during the almost a year in captivity?
I think there was 13 encounters from the ground forces and numerous from helicopters. I don't even know how many. Many.
You have told us that it saved 1 bullet from the helicopter?
One went into my backpack.
Oh.
And I was able to retrieve that bullet and keep it as a souvenir. I like to extend thank you to the chairman and all his people, to President Duterte and everybody else that worked hard to make my release possible and for saving my life.